What if I told you that your savings account could actually make money for you while you sleep? Most Americans keep their extra cash in a traditional savings account and earn almost nothing. But in 2026, some high yield savings accounts, also known as HYSAs, are offering around 4 to 5% APY. So, which one should you choose? Let's break it down. According to recent FDIC data, the national average savings rate is only around 0.38%. That means if you keep $10,000 in an average savings account, you're earning very little interest. But with a competitive high-yield savings account, your money can potentially earn much more, while still remaining accessible for emergencies and short-term goals. One account getting attention right now is Accordia Bank, which has been advertising a 5% promotional rate. Reports say the promotional offer applies to balances up to $500,000 with a $100 minimum opening deposit, and the promotional rate is guaranteed through January 31st, 2027. But here's something important. The highest APY doesn't automatically mean it's the best account for you. You should always check the current terms, eligibility requirements, insurance coverage, and what happens after the promotional period ends. And there are plenty of other competitive options too. Banks such as Bright Bank, CIT Bank, Bank, Bread Savings, Everbank, and Popular Direct have appeared among competitive high-yield savings options. But don't just look at the biggest number. Compare the APY, minimum balance, monthly fees, withdrawal rules, and most importantly, FDIC or NCUA insurance. Now let's talk about the real power behind these accounts: compounding interest. Imagine you put $10,000 into an account earning approximately 5% APY and leave it untouched. You're not just earning interest on your original $10,000. Over time, the interest you earn can also generate additional interest. That's the power of compounding. And the longer your money stays there, the more powerful compounding can become. And if you continue adding money every month, the potential growth becomes even more interesting. So instead of asking which bank has the highest APY today, ask yourself which account gives me the best combination of yield, safety, accessibility, and low fees. For an emergency fund, a competitive high-yield savings account can be a useful option because your money can remain accessible while earning interest. But remember, APYs can change. A rate that looks amazing today could be lower tomorrow. So if you're keeping thousands of dollars in a traditional savings account, it may be worth comparing today's high-yield options. Because a few percentage points might look small, but over time, that difference can really add up. Now, I want to know what you would choose: a 5% promotional savings account or a slightly lower rate with fewer conditions. Comment 5% or safety below. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not personalized financial advice.